Chat widgets help you capture customers' attention and direct them to interact with your business. However, if not properly placed, they can be distracting. So, we're glad to introduce an embedded option for voice AI widgets. Let's learn how to use it. Start by heading to the Chat Widget tab inside the Sites section and creating or editing a voice AI widget. In the Style tab, select Embedded as your widget placement. Choose a display mode between Avatar and Visualizer. Customize remaining available styling options. If Visualizer is selected, you can configure the interface size. Using this placement enables non-intrusive voice AI experiences, helping you better support conversation-focused placements, improve the visual cues in your sites, and achieve design flexibility. All you have to do is copy the code via Get Code and paste it where you want the widget to appear on your website. Multiple embedded widgets can be used simultaneously to create the perfect experience. We hope you enjoy it.